Hey my sunshines, I'm really excited for this video. Before we get started, I just want to say welcome back to our channel, Sunshine Cute Hairstyles. If it's your first time here, please click on the subscribe button and also the notification bell so you can stay updated on future videos. Today we'll be creating this beautiful hairstyle. Section the top of the head and secure it with an elastic band. Using a topsy tail, position it at the center of the ponytail. Select a small piece of hair and wrap it around the ponytail, pulling it through the topsy tail. From the center part, continue to section the hair all the way to the ears. Leave it at the front. Repeat the same step on the other side. Then secure it with an elastic band. Using a topsy tail, position it in the center of the ponytail. Select a small section of hair and wrap it around the pony and pull it through the topsy tail. On the ponytail, we will be creating a fishtail braid with loops. You can choose how many braid sections you want to create. Today, I will do 5 fishtail braid bubbles before I add the elastic band to both ends of the section. Then I'll repeat the step all the way to the end.
All night trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing.
Now we'll create a fishtail braid and feather it out.
Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that
I will position the topsy tail at the center of the ponytail. Then I will pull through the braid that I have just created. I will repeat the same step on the other side.
come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling.
This channel is all about creating beautiful and unique hairstyles. Any item I use in this tutorial, a link will be in the description box below. If you guys have any ideas or questions, let me know in the comment below. Please make sure to like this video. It really helps to see what you enjoy watching. And please give it a big thumbs up. If you love hair tutorials and want to be friends, make sure to hit the button with our logo on it. Until next time, my sunshines, I love and appreciate your support. Please check out our other videos.